Leos, hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Jade, and this is Star, Moon, and Sun Tarot. I'm going to include the resonance. Okay. It's going to be for Leos, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. About the next week or so from when I upload. In love, okay, make sure you're checking your other placements. And also make sure to take what resonates and leave what does not. Calling in my angel spirits, guides, guardians, ancestors, please show me what I need to see for the highest good for my Leo people in this Leo season. Shield and protect me, as well as my viewers and subscribers from any hostilities, negative energies, entities, and the like. Okay, let's see. For my Leos, can I have just one card, please? Oh my gosh. Hold on. Wow. Okay. Interesting. We've got the 7th chakra, Archangel Uriel, okay? This is your crown chakra, right? It's opening up here, communications with your higher self, your spirit guides. They might be trying to communicate a message. Somebody around could be envious as well, because we have envy on the bottom here with the blossoming abundance behind it. Love. Show me more about love for my Leos, please. Wow. Ace of Coins. This is an opportunity. Ooh. There could be some competition for this particular opportunity here. 5 of Staves. Show me more, please. Thank you. Oh, okay. Ten of Coins. Wow. So you might be a little conflicted about this offer opportunity here, but these two people are in bed together here, and then boom, 10 of Coins. Show me more about this opportunity. This Ace of Coins, what is this? Something being unveiled. Strength. So that's, wow, Leo. And some type of imbalance or impatience. What's this 5 of Staves? People divided, disunion, probably some family problems. What's this 4 of Arrows? Alright, so there's been some type of imbalance here on this 5 of Wands. But there's an opportunity here to tune into your intuition and really work towards this Nine of Cups and being emotionally fulfilled here with these happy people. You might have a wish being granted in money or prosperity coming in. Yeah, the Sun coming up on this 10 of coins. So this is happy, family, monetary success, and the Star coming out as well. And this emotional fulfillment. You're getting some type of clarity about whatever was conflicting here. Okay, it's going to be different for everybody. But whatever it is, you're now seeing through it clearly and getting out of, yes, self-entrapment. And turning whatever conflict into now this more happy family. Alright, and that's going to be different for all of you. For some of you, it could be a reconciliation. For others of you, it could be a separation. For yet others, it's a business opportunity. Alright, let me get some Lenormand on this as well really quick. Oh, geez. Wow. So this could definitely be about a marriage where the passion and chemistry is maybe gone because there are hesitations or indecision or misunderstandings. And we have a third person. It was something here was very unpredictable with this Wolverine, or wilder, and so it's like causing this catalyst of energy and communication, Emperor. Yeah, there's some type of, this is a death, an ending, a breakup, a change, a movement. Steady forward movement is literally on the bottom here. What's the advice? And we see Aries, Taurus, Ten of Cups, Ace of Wands. There is an opportunity to find emotional fulfillment here and to find that passion. Seven of Swords, the unknown. Okay. Page of Wands. Wow. Six of Wands. So, for some of you, this is a sure victory and forward movement and success. For some of you, you're still undecided here, and there could be a conflict. It's got to do with a choice in love. And some of you, I'm seeing one path here with this forward movement and a path here. Page of Wands, Knight of Swords. This is like telling someone to screw off and then blocking them, basically. Magician, Seven of Wands. So some of you might really be defensive, putting up blocks, manifesting something new here. You might just not feel like something is right. Your message could be like a warning or something you just know internally that you can't get over. But for others of you, yeah, Death, 10 of Wands. You just want to end the burden. Some of you. Others of you want this and want to move forward here. So again, it's a collective reading. Not every Leo is the same. So either way, I'm seeing it as, yeah, King of Wands. Either way, you're taking action. You are taking your power. Wow, Empress. 2 of Wands. This is, you know, really good. This is looking to new horizons. This is abundance, success. And the Hanged Man. Even if it's a little bit of a pause or you feel like you've had to make a sacrifice, there are new things coming. 4 of Wands and the Moon. And the Star. You're going to have happiness and good fortune coming your way, Leo. Wow. So these are Earth Power cards. I'm going to get just one. They have these really nice affirmations on them. So let's have one for Leo, please. Wow. Okay. Wow. All right. So you guys got Troy, right? The Trojan horse. To exchange my gifts with the world is a positive act. Teamwork is necessary. While I can learn from the stories of others, I can create my own mythos. Beauty is eternal. Revenge has consequences. So Leo, that is what I have for you. Things are looking pretty good either way. And I hope this was helpful for you guys. Happy birthday season, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more, and I hope to see you guys next time. Alright, much love to you all. Bye.